Hair is done, and you cannot tell me I don't look like a rock star.
Okay, that's 1,000,000 tomatoes.
So I got some hiking boots on sale because we're going to the Dolomites next weekend. Hello friends, I am long overdue for a haircut. When I got my hair done in LA, she like really didn't have a lot of time to do a haircut, so I got like a half haircut, and I need to get a full one, especially after the week I've had. If you haven't seen, I will link it above, my starting over, my life update. But yes, let's go get a haircut in London. I've never been to Samantha Cusick, but we're gonna go right now. They've got multiple locations around central London. I said, why not? I just want to get some layers. I want to get some length chopped up. And then of course spend a little time outside. So let's get to moving, let's get to grooving. Hair is done, and you cannot tell me I don't look like a rock star. And this is the event of the day. This is it. Ooh, I'm so sorry, babe.
Oh, sorry.
And yeah, yes. Megan, Samantha Cusick, London, Notting Hill to be specific. Check her out. Hello guys and gals, it is Sunday. I'm up. I'm still feeling a little bit down and just out of it. I feel like the last 2 days my anxiety's been high. I've just been like avoiding how I feel with like TikTok and Instagram and Reddit and YouTube and just like Netflix, and avoiding confronting how I feel. But today I woke up and I felt definitely a little bit better, a little bit more calm. Sometimes you just gotta like let your body work that ish out. I'm not saying I feel amazing, but I definitely feel a little bit more clear-headed than I was on like Friday or Saturday. I might voice this over, but Austin's coming home from Croatia right now, and I made us a quick little dinner. I got a kale salad, and I made this delicious garlic tahini dressing. I've got some rice in there, and then our main event is this beautiful chicken in the oven, and I have this delicious like Thai lime fish sauce to go on top of it. So can get him home all plated up. The trains were like diverted today, so. And in other news, I'm wearing my pajamas. It's literally so hot, and it's the coolest thing I have. But it's finally like 78 degrees, which is like very tolerable. Definitely less glamorous than Austin's, but like, come on. You would eat it. You would eat it. Nothing like July looking like this. We just came back from a very rainy farmer's market. It's thunderstorming on and off pretty much all day until, I don't know, like 3 or 4 p.m. We wanted to show a farmer's market haul with my guest appearance, Austen. And we just want to share with you guys what we got, because the farmer's market right now is kicking.
Okay, that's 1,000,000 tomatoes. Has some tender stem broccoli, another 1,000,000 tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers.
The best cucumbers ever. They're so crunchy.
1,000,000 tiny zucchini.
You gotta get the tiny zucchini because they have so much more flavor.
Tenderest zucchini. Some wild sheep or lamb tenderloin.
Don't scare me.
Lamb burgers.
Those were really good last week.
Fresh chicken.
From the
kale. Some
Our
Thai
salad.
basil.
Salad bunches.
Greens and cherries.
Which Austin's allergic to, but that's okay.
And strawberries
oh, no,
in
there's a bad
season.
one. Oh, this one got eaten.
Somebody had a snack.
And then some beautiful flowers.
Every week, it's the same people who bring their stuff into the city, so it's nice to have the familiar faces. But then every week, the food is a little bit different, and you can really feel the seasons changing, and you feel like every time you cook, you're cooking the season you're in, and you're cooking what you see outside.
Never fails, and we cook at home so much more now because this is all available. I keep switching cameras, I can't help it, but this is Austin's pork chop. I was telling him that I was craving pork chop the other day, and here we go. He made it for me. Ignore that I'm in full glam, but in a t-shirt because I was like, I need to get ready. It takes me forever. Let's try these peas. Wow, I love peas. Mmm. We're making some green juice in the most ridiculous way possible, which is in an immersion blender cup. Because we don't have a blender here, and I definitely don't have my juicer. But you know what? Gets the job done. I picked up the celery from the farmer's market, also a cucumber, because sometimes that celery can just like smack me in the face. We love the health benefits. We hate the stomach ache, the movement, if you know what I mean. But it does good. Can't lie. Oh, and I have to blend this in parts. So this is like part 1. And then I have all these leaves for part 2. And this is 2 servings. So it'll be juice today and then juice tomorrow morning. If you wait more than 3 days, like on the 3rd day, the juice kind of turns brown. And that's when you know, probably a little rancid. So I'm blending this up. Delicious. This is crazy. I look like one of those naked dolls that Japan sells that like put their butt out, you know what I mean? Like their butt crack is showing, but they're always like wearing this sort of like, I'll insert a picture of this, but that's exactly how I feel like. Austen and I are really on a mission to find good things for this trip, but now we're just being silly, and I was like, should I try to go into this little tent? I don't know. Can I see your ice cup? Clip is for Serlina and Serlina only. I'm kidding, but I got some hiking shoes and yeah. Anyway, this is a long time coming. So I got some hiking boots on sale because we're going to the Dolomites next weekend, and Austen was like, we're doing a hike, we're doing 2 hours, blah, blah. And I'm like, respectfully, I haven't done a hike, I don't even know, since I was an infant. The longest walk I've taken recently was to the gym and back, and that was like an hour. And I got these from Solomon on sale. I really liked the colorway. I thought they were sick, and the red is a little loud on the front. I kind of saw it from the side. You're like, oh, that looks nice, but then it's like, ah. And I liked the ankle support. There's a shorter version of this shoe, but ultimately I was like, I'm a comfort girl. I know at some point I'm gonna want to have an ankle shoe for hiking, but also just like not cemented terrain. We go to the snow a lot, and I don't have good shoes for traction for that. Of course you have like snow boots and stuff, but sometimes if it's not super cold or there's not snow on the ground, but obviously the terrain might be a little bit icy or slippery or whatever the case may be, I want the ankle support, especially as I'm getting older. I just feel like I have to be a little bit more careful. I've obviously sprained my ankle before. Hashtag youth. But these are kind of sick. These are the Ultra 360 Edge. They are Gore-Tex, and I got them for like 90 pounds, which is a pretty good deal. And then Austen so kindly picked up some of these thin socks. I don't know if are they wool?
Yeah.
Okay.
And sweat wicking. And
sweat wicking, okay. So they're fast drying, they're sweat wicking. So we're gonna try these bad boys on. Your ankles. Well, yes, they cover my ankles. No ticks here. I ordered the same size that I am in my other Solomons. Ooh, these are nice, Austen. Very nice.
Good sock.
Yeah, I mean, I've been wearing Old Navy socks for the last 3 years. They work, but they're definitely not great. Okay, time to find out if the shoes are the same size, because nothing bothers me more than when a brand puts out like a different shoe style, but the sizing is completely different. You're like, why would you do that? Why would you do that? Okay, she's going hiking. Watch out, mountains. A fashionista is coming through. A stylish individual.